With the coronavirus pandemic tightening its grip across the globe, tourism industry has come to a standstill. In an exclusive interview with IOTV, Riaz Munshi, the president of Outbound Tour Operators Association of India, a bridge organization facilitating outbound tourism, talks about the impact of the pandemic on the industry, its implications ahead, and the threat imposed by the recent tax imposed by the Indian government.
The corona has literally killed the industries. We have a very difficult time right now. We are at the spot where we don't know how is going to and when is going to be okay, but then we are hopeful that it should get over fast. The situation at current level is very bad. We are on zero revenue, including travel company, aviation and hospitality are the worst affected in this scenario. So we would like to government intervene. We'd like that they should give us a reduction in GST or no GST or no income tax or reduction in income tax, and give us some finances on a very nominal interest rate or zero interest rate at least for a year, so at least this industry can survive. We generate a lot of revenue for the government, we do employment for the government, and in case we don't get the help, I think industries will destroy in a big way. See, industries is already going through the bad time, but this has become the worst now because we have never seen such a situation where the entire industries come to an halt. So nothing is moving at all. All the flights are cancelled. All hotels are empty. All flights are empty. All airports are empty. So it's a big loss. How much we are going to lose is to predict right now is difficult because it is still ongoing process. So once we overcome with this, then we will know what is the exact amount of loss is going to be. Then, but it's going to be a big loss to the country. So in case the TCS get implemented, it will be the last nail and coffin of outbound tourism industry, because we won't be able to handle the situation. Seeing the current scenario of coronavirus, when already people are depressed and disappointed and they don't know what to do, because it's not easy when you are on a zero revenue and you have to meet certain fixed expenditure. So scenario like this, in case the TCS is going to come, quite a few companies will shut down, and it will open the door for the foreign companies to enter in the Indian market, and the even government is going to lose revenue from the Indian market. No, it was a bad thing only because even when GST was implemented and we gave our representation to the government, we had been assured that everybody will be in the net of the GST. But we have observed that even since the players working outside or the foreign companies doing business in India are not paying the GST because they are not registered in India. So that way we are losing the revenue to that front. But then over a period of time, the 5%, we thought that okay, we will cut down from our markup and try and do the adjustment, and we are already adjusted to that. But coming in case the TCS will be on top of it, will not, because we work on a very thin markup, won't be possible for us to absorb that kind of a 5% discount or compared to the foreign online players, and we will lose the business on a big time. This today's scenario, we are trying our best for a rollback of TCS or for the timing deferment. So we have a high hope from them of either rollback or a deferment. Even if deferment happens, we will get an opportunity to represent ourselves or have a dialogue with them.